Well, folks, it's time to kick it old school.
Sorry, text not recognized. Cancel.
So dangerous. So dangerous. Oh my. Oh, this is beautiful. This Christmas is really special.
If it's going to cost 20 billion to get the poorest in society through this winter, that is a price worth paying. Simply take it from the oil and gas giants. Martin in Doncaster, do you agree?
Hi, Rachel. Yeah, I'm ringing up because I'm really upset with this government. I live in a mobile home park, and in the summer when the energy package was granted, I knew at the time we weren't going to get it. Now, on the 2nd of August, the government changed the guidance to say all mobile home parks are now going to get the £400 package, and now I think it's another £200 on top. Now, it's now December, and we've received absolute.
Never had an issue at all. Moving to this property, as I said, the room already fitted, and the companies refused to just install half the sort of 2 different